In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notification sound in Outlook if Outlook's notification chime is distracting you while you work. The good news is that you can disable it in just a few moments. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook and go to your mail section. This is the main area where you can view your inbox and manage your messages. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol. Click that to open the settings menu. After the settings panel appears, find and click on General. This section contains a variety of overall Outlook preferences, so if you don't see the option immediately, just take a second to scan the menu carefully. Inside General, click on Notifications. This is where Outlook lets you control how alerts appear and sound when new messages arrive. If you want a quieter experience without turning off all visual notifications, this is the right place to make that change. Once you're in Notifications, click the expand icon in the Notifications area if needed. This will reveal more detailed notification settings. Depending on your screen size or layout, some options may be tucked away until you expand the section. Now look for the setting labeled Allow Notification Sounds. If the box is checked, Outlook will play a sound when new email notifications come in. To turn that off, simply uncheck the box. This disables the sound while leaving the rest of your notification settings available, unless you choose to change those separately. After unchecking it, click OK to confirm and save your change. That's it. Outlook should now stop playing email notification sounds. If you still hear sounds after making this change, give Outlook a quick refresh or reopen the app to make sure the new setting is applied. Also, remember that this changes the Outlook notification sound settings specifically, so if your device or browser has separate notification settings, those may still affect what you hear. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer interruptions during the day. It's especially useful when you receive a high volume of email and want to stay focused without constant audio alerts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly turn off email notification sound in Outlook.